So what you can also do is you can generate HTML codes by the use of ChatGPT. So what I'm going to go around and say this, I'm going to go around and say, write a HTML code. So I'm going to go around and say this for a page, for, let's say, for example, a home page of a shopping site, and I'm going to go around and say the name of the site, the name of the shopping site should be easy buy right here, just like this. So let's say this is what I want. So I'm going to go around and send the prompt right here. And once I do that, it says, sure, here's a simple HTML code of a home page of a shopping with the site name Easy Buy. So you can see that it generates out the CSS code right here, and it generates out this particular document right here, which I can use as a skeleton for developing a website. So I'm just going to go around and copy out this code right here. And now I'm going to go around and open up an HTML editor right here, and simply I'm going to go around, paste the code. And once I do that, you can see that this is the generated code over here. And you can see that it even generated the hover effect and everything else. And this is what you have. This is the code that it generated. And over here in the split view, you can see that I have the code over here, and I got this particular content over here. And I can see the live view over here, and you can see that this is what you have. So for web development as well, you can go around and easily go around and generate codes just like this as you want by using ChatGPT. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.